थोड़ा भगाएंगे गाड़ी को. Average fuel efficiency of this vehicle is 26.1. Vehicle entrance எப்படி தானா? Fancy. ஐயோ. Hello people, welcome back and thank you for tuning in. Chilled Monday morning. The temperature is 17 degrees. Just imagine. Well, the milkman has come, so Max is alert. I am pushing it out. Gear down. Off we go. Misty Monday morning. The actual plan was to start at 5:30 in the morning, but thanks to this lovely cold weather, I slept for another 40 minutes. Doesn't make much of a difference as I'm going to be traveling solo. We already have enough fuel to reach our destination for today. The range is at 336 kilometers. Oh yeah, I forgot to trip the meter to 0. We'll just trip to 0. Okay, we hardly come out a kilometer, so that doesn't matter. What a way of life. On Monday morning, everyone's busy going to schools, colleges, their offices, and I am going for a ride. Nice, no? Doesn't happen too often, but whenever it happens, it's nice. I've stopped using the tank bag. Instead, I've placed the tank bag inside the top box. Basically, for me, the tank bag is nothing but to carry all my electronics. ये चिल्लर नाली के सिक्किम लोनावाला गुरुदोंगमार. എവിടെയാ നാട്ടിലേക്കാ? എവിടെ പോന്നാ? നാട്ടിൽ പോയി റൂം പോന്നാ? ഇല്ല, ഞാൻ ബാംഗ്ലൂർ തന്നെ. ബാംഗ്ലൂർ. ഞാനിപ്പോൾ തമിഴ്നാട് പോന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ ചെന്നൈ പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. I saw the KL registration plate. And yeah, we got this sticker done, na? Chennai. Surprising people like this is nice, na? MH का गाड़ी मलयाली बैंगलोर में गाड़ी चल रहा है और अभी तमिलनाडु जा रहा है. You can surprise a lot of people this way. Most of the people would think I am from Maharashtra. They would just judge like that. Oh, he's done Rohtang Pass, Bengaluru, West Bengal, Goa. On that side he had Shimla, Gurudongmar, not Shimla, Sikkim, Gurudongmar and few other places. Nice. Yeah. First ride for the year 2023. Yeah, first video as well, so I know it's late, but still, Happy New Year to all the viewers. I just realized this. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Literally, there is no visibility about 50 meters ahead. This was unexpected. You see that? I can't see that truck ahead. This is amazing. I didn't expect this. There are dewdrops. I'm collecting water. Looks like you'll need to ride with a raincoat here in the mornings. Now the sun is out and there's some visibility, clearing off a little. I've reached my first pit stop, and like that we're done with breakfast. I had pongal and one coffee. That's it. All that fog cover has disappeared. The current average fuel efficiency of this vehicle is 26.1 after riding. How much? Yeah, 60 kilometers in an hour. Exactly 1 hour was the right time. 60 kilometers, and that is our fuel efficiency. So for all the people out there who are thinking that big bikes don't have great fuel efficiency, you're wrong. Mine does. It all depends on your riding style. I cruise at about 100, 110. Yeah, occasionally here and there I do open the throttle. 255 to go. Yeah, I haven't told you guys the reason I'm going to Chennai, right? We'll talk about this on our next pit stop. I'll stop for coffee at another place. I like to have coffee in that place as well. So I think that will be a time where I can interact face to face. Going to be a little noisy. I'm out on the highway. I didn't reach that coffee stop I was talking about. The time is 10:10, and I just stopped here. I saw this coconut grove. I just wanted to fly the drone into it and get it out. This mountain drop at the back. It's the sun is coming out, so you can't see it even if I show it to the camera. What is the reason for me to head to Chennai? Nothing much. I just found out that one of the accessories that I wanted for the Tiger is available at Kiviraj Triumph in Chennai. That's the reason I'm going to Chennai. So I'm just using that as a reason to ride to Chennai. That's it, nothing else. The main stand that we're looking out for is available in Chennai. We're just going to get it fixed over there and we'll plan the rest according to time and situation. It was so nice until I stopped. I was here for like close to 30 minutes and the temperature just shot from 20 degrees to 27 degrees. I'm expecting it to go to 32, 33. I'm already starting to soak inside my riding gear, but that shouldn't be a reason to ride without gear. चलो थोड़ा भगाएंगे गाड़ी को. See the number of potholes here. It's like what do you say, a puzzle. You need to find your way. So third pit stop for the day is done. About 60 kilometers from our destination for today. Stopped at Sarona Bhavan. Made a hotel reservation and starting off now.
எங்கே போகிறீங்க?
Chennai,
சரி. ஃப்ரம்
Bangalore. எந்த ஸ்கூல் படிக்கிற?
8th standard திருவாரூர் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்.
இங்கே வந்த
இங்கே ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்.
ரிலேஷன் இருக்கியா? Oh, I forgot to ask his name. Share. I keep forgetting that. Honda CB650F. We had coffee together basically. They were in a group. They just walked in after I stopped. Not bad. The roads reaching outside Chennai city have some improvement. Just stop to fuel. This will take a while to detect it and change all the values. I removed the gloves, put it on top box. Since I don't know the way into the city, I'll have to rely on my phone, Google Maps Kijay. With the gloves, handling the phone is not comfortable, so and it's all sweaty now. The time is 2:25. 2:25. I have come to Fortel. This is near Egmore railway station. And now it's time to freshen up and head to the Triumph service center. So freshen up. I haven't had lunch. Hungry, but it's late. So we'll go to the Triumph service center and then we'll plan. This here is the two-wheeler parking area with security. So I'm fine with that. Now we need to find our location. How to go there? So this is Egmore railway station. We are basically we're on Chennai sightseeing. Oh, I definitely need a phone stand. Okay, there is some left here. Not this junction, left and right. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. Okay. Like doing march past now. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to record videos in the Triumph service center. Let's see. If you are allowed, you will see what's happening. Else, no. Ashte. Avulata. When you come to a specific state or location, you need to become a local. So I will use the local language here. We will talk in Tamil. As I remember trying to mug up the map, our showroom has to be on the right hand side. How do I come up? Here only. Under. वो फ्रेम पे रखना. अब्बा एंट्रेंस இப்படி தானா எல்லாத்துக்கும்? வெஹிக்கிள் என்ட்ரன்ஸ் இப்படி தானா? ஃபேன்சி. ஐயோ, should ride a sorry. I'm back in my room with no motorcycle again. So what has happened is the job that I came for, that was done, but the coolant level in the vehicle was low and they had to flush it out and replace it. That was the reason I had to leave the bike, as the job could not be completed today. So they said they will get it done by second half of the day. Before lunch they said they will keep it ready. I have no other option, so we'll have to stay back, wait, get the job done and then get rolling. So for now I think we'll head out and explore Chennai. Hopefully, let's give it a shot. I don't know, no motorcycle. I don't know what to do. Nothing's running as of now. All of a sudden, plans just got shuffled completely. I just spoke to a friend. I'll go visit them and I'll get back. So until the next one, take care and stay safe.